It's the last day, it's been blast, it's been a fun experience, especially with the Masons. They really do have great jokes. It'll take you a while to get it, but you eventually get it.
So today is day 2, the final day of our build, and it has been going fantastic so far. We are right on time and everything is going well, especially given our rainy weather and tight timeline. We're pushing through, making it work.
It's like hard work.
Yeah. I know, I think yesterday all of us just kind of, we all just kind of went home and passed out.
I would say there are different dimensions or different layers of what's going on today. One is the social environment. What one can see is that students and Masons are working much better together, that the students know what the expectations are, how they can communicate in order to drive the design. And Masons also don't have as many problems to ask questions. So one can see that they grew together. That's fantastic. And it makes me happy because one can see that it works. Like we will have a beautiful space, and that is fantastic.
We're learning a lot of different things and how to pivot. We had some more rain that we had from yesterday. It continued today, and we started to run out of some materials. They had to improvise and either go back and get some more materials from the supply house and bring it here, realizing that cuts down the time that you have on building the product, which was actually good. It was a great learning experience for the students.
My biggest takeaway from working with the architectural students is watching them as their project that they've spent who knows how much time designing. They work on it now with their hands. They see what it takes to actually do the project and see it come to life, and the joy that you see after the project is over in them and how proud they are of what they've drawn up and built.
The kids are good. They're great. Good kids. They were interested. They were working hands-on. They were having fun. We teach them how to lay brick, pointing, and they had a good time. And I did also.
To me, this is what architectural education should look like. We shouldn't isolate ourselves as architects to just pretend we know everything but sit in a dry room all the time. We should actually study together with masons, with structural engineers, with cabinet makers, with carpenters, with everything that needs in order to make something that is as fantastic as architecture.
They don't realize that for us, it's a dream come true, and they are actually the ones that are making it happen. For them, it's just maybe just another wall to make. But for me to see how I was actually designing, drawing all those lines, and now seeing it put together by professionals is just amazing.
My biggest takeaway has just sort of been the importance and the real functionality of masonry. Like, I think it's sort of been forgotten, but we've learned how versatile it is, how adaptable it is, especially if something isn't perfect, you can fix, whereas other materials, if your glass is broken, it's broken. If your slab is cracked, it's cracked. So masonry, you have a lot of flexibility, you have so many different types and designs, and it's just very adaptable. It's a fantastic material.
So some of the things that took place today, and I think over the last 2 days that I'm really proud of, is again, the collaboration between the contractors, the students, faculty here at the school, the Beauty of Block, the concrete masonry checkoff program that helped fund us, and Glenwood, how everybody collaborated together, how everybody got along and worked as a team. And I think that was the biggest lesson.
After this is all complete, when the wood planking seating on our project goes in and their planters go on, and the planters in the other project are filled and the plants put in, I'm really going to enjoy coming here to take a look at this after it's all complete and see how proud these students are of what they've accomplished.
For everyone who is watching this video, I want them to understand that planning and execution belong together. They shouldn't be separated. The sooner and the more intense one connects them, the better the result will be.
So now next week, we have the finals and making a decision on which model wins, but they both stand and will sit here on campus for the next year, which is great. So I think that is probably one of the more proud things that I did. I mean, there's a lot of good things that we've done and learned, and the students have learned, and we're all growing. And we're growing with concrete masonry, which is awesome.
So for people watching, we've been working on this project all semester. We started doing mock-ups and sketches, and my favorite part of this whole process is looking back on those initial drawings and sketches and seeing how things have evolved, which I think is a beautiful part of architecture, is just the evolution of your design.
The most important part of it is people. So no matter what you put on the paper, how good it is, if you can't have relationship and good communication with other people, you will never achieve your goals, and you will never be able to make your projects happen.
I think we all already have won. Like, win or lose, this experience that we're getting here, the things that we're learning, the people that we're meeting, I think we all have.
I already won, so I don't really care. If I get the first place, that's gonna be bonus, and I'm just gonna spread it across all the other people that were helping me. It's done! Come check it out.